Hey guys, welcome back to Unstockable Trading. In this video, we are going to have some quick tutorial on how to read a bull flag, how to identify a bull flag, how to identify a bear flag, and what's our S&P breakdown. And we'll take a look at Google and my favorite Tesla. I still have the Tesla PD around 1,030 to 1,100. We hit 1,005 today, from the low of yesterday, and right now we have our S&P futures a bit starting off, but I wouldn't be too worried because we have a huge volatility. That means we move in a great direction, either up 300 points or and then down 200 points the next hour or so. So right now we hit the previous support around 30.65, around this area right here. Am I bearish? No, I'm not bearish, just because we have a pretty low starting off volume today, and on the ES I can just quickly check, confirm it, that we only have about 21k volume on the S&P 500 ES mini futures. That doesn't mean anything. Like, overnight action doesn't mean a crap. Too much. Nobody's buying or selling. There's just the algos. You see on the right side, algos buying and selling the contracts. They don't mean anything to me until the next morning. So this is just BS to me. I'm not even gonna be scared because I'm holding a bunch of BA calls, so down $600 today. Yesterday I was up about what is this? Oh, it's hidden. But anyways, I was up about 2,000 something dollars. Today I'm down $600, but that's not a big deal. JP Morgan, I'm still holding this crap. Anyhow, this is in August 21st, I think. Yeah, so that's still okay, I guess. With that being said, I want to show you guys what exactly is a bull flag and what exactly is a bear flag. Let me just show you guys how it works. So let's take a look at 100 days, 4 hours. So let me just take a screenshot of this so we can determine what we're talking about. So this is 180 days, 4 hours on the ES E-mini futures. So with the flag, you know how a flag has a pole, right? So a pole, like a straight line. That's what that means. It can be up or going down. So when we have this bullish move or bearish move, it's a pole. So we think as a pole. When that pole happens, the next candle, reversing candle, can determine if it's a bull flag or a bear flag. So with that being said, we have this kind of big 4-hour candle right here, and now we're retracing it to the downside. Let me draw this out in a red blue pen. This right here is a flag pattern. That is a bull flag, and then we confirmed it here. But then it didn't break through the previous high, so that was a fail. Now we're going down. Okay, so this is a very clear 4-hour downtrend. What's going to happen is we need to test the previous breakout candle. So the previous breakout candle we have is right here. So this is another pole. So we need to move this to here. Now we have another flag forming. So as long as, let me just make this, can I make this bigger? Nope. So as long as we can hold above this line right here, we come and then have a reversal. That's confirmed a bull flag. And a bear flag is the opposite, where you have a thing straight down and then just keep going down. So like you have this straight down and you'll keep going down as a bear flag, but then if the bear failed to break the support, and then it reverses. So in this case right now, we are going through the process overnight. So tomorrow morning, I expect us to go back above the 3,100 level. The 3,100 level on the ES is a very important key of support, and now act like resistance. So we need to see that. We need to see a retest of this, get above it. That would be a very nice sign. I think the move happens next week also, because on Monday and Tuesday we moved pretty like dramatically. Because on Monday, wow, from 29.20 all the way up to 3050, and the next day we gapped up, and then now just consolidating, retesting the previous breakout candle, and now we need to hold this 65-ish to test this breakout candle and have a bull flag set up. Right now it's in the process of doing this, and yeah, I'm holding some BA calls, July 2nd, I think, or July 2nd, 210 call, and some weekly BA, but that's really nothing. It's just, everything's still fine, honestly. I mean, this on the dailies, okay, right now we're just testing the previous support. And now let's go to Tesla. Tesla, we attempted a breakout above 1,000, but the market sold off, so we put back inside. If you see those my trend lines, we literally tagged on the edge of the trend line. Okay, so that's not alarming. But if you look at after hour, yeah, we broke below it, but doesn't matter. My target still remain 1030 to 1,100. I'm still holding one Tesla call I got yesterday. It was up today, but didn't take profit because I was greedy. But that's okay because I think still have a chance to go back up next week. So Tesla looks fine. If Tesla goes below the 980 mark, that's something that we don't want to see. Don't think we'll see that tomorrow. If it happens, I'll wait for the price. So one important thing is when something breaks support, we need to make sure that it closes below the line in a 15 minutes chart. Some people do a 10, 5, I do a 15 just because we have so much volatility going on, because it can be up 10 points and then down 10 points the next second. So we don't know, like, it moves too fast. That's my point. So we need to close it below the 15 minutes chart. That's my rule of thumb as from now, as we have increased movements from in the both sides. So that's something that we need to watch out for. I know people looking at the chart, oh my god, starting off in the next second, V-shaped rebound. Like, wow. Well, guess what? This is the market as of this week and last week. So I know I talked about expected move not too long ago. We are still expecting about 60 points move on the 52 now, on the S&P 500 by Friday. That means we'll move 52 points up or 52 points down. In the ES, we moved 37 points as of now. What does that even mean on the expected move? We're still looking around the $59. So right now we'll move 38. Maybe we could drop 59 points overnight and then recover by the next morning. We don't know that just because this Monday we had a huge reversal. So I'm not surprised to see another big bounce tomorrow morning until we hit the support. And what do we have tomorrow morning? We have unemployment number. And how do I know? You look at tools. I don't remember how I know. I think how do I find the calendar? There we go. So tomorrow is Thursday, June 18th. We have, let me just use the economic events. What do we have? We have jobless claim at, I think, 8:30, and then we have Philadelphia. This is very important. We have that's not important, sorry. We have PPI, that's on Friday, and retail sales. Those are very important market indicator. Tomorrow, I think the jobless claim is going to be great, and the market's gonna fly. That's just my opinion. I mean, it is a fake number that we all know about, but market likes fake numbers. What else can I say? This market is manipulated. Everything is fake. Just follow the trend. That's all I'm going to say. Good luck, guys. I'll see you guys in the Discord and tomorrow morning.